Hi everyone. What we're going to find in this video is our double angles sine of 2 alpha, cosine of 2 alpha, tan of 2 alpha, and we're also going to find sine of pi plus alpha, and we're going to find cosine of 3 pi over 2 minus alpha. And what we're given is that cosine of alpha equals negative 12 over 13, and that also our angle is in quadrant 2. So this just means our angle's in quadrant 2. First thing I need to do, I've got our formulas. You need to have your formulas. Is I have to find sine of alpha. Since it's a triple and I'm in quadrant 2, sine's positive, so I know it's going to be 5 over 13, because the Pythagorean triples are 5, 12, and 13. And you just use your formulas. So we're going to get sine of 2 alpha equals 2 sine of alpha cosine of alpha. So that's 2 times 5 over 13 times negative 12 over 13, which gives us negative 120 over 169. All right, the next one we're going to find is cosine of 2 alpha. Oopsie. 2 alpha. And there's 3 identities for this. I just use this one. That way I don't have to get the common denominator. So we have negative 12 over 13 squared minus 5 over 13 squared. And that's going to give us negative 119 over 169. Now for my tan of 2 theta, or 2 alpha, I'm just going to use sine of 2 alpha over cosine of 2 alpha. Man, I keep wanting to write alpha twice. Okay, 2 alpha. So I'm just going to divide this exact value by this exact value. So this is going to equal negative 120 over 169 divided by negative 119 over 169. Okay, these cancel. 2 negatives make a positive, so my answer is going to be 120 over 119. So those are my 3 answers for this top line here. Now I have to do the second part, and the second part is going to be, we have sine of pi plus alpha. I'm just going to write this as my formula: sine of pi cosine of alpha plus cosine of pi sine of alpha. Remember, this is your alpha and this is your beta. So I'm just using the formula for that. So sine of pi is 0. Cosine of alpha is negative 12 over 13. All right, plus cosine of pi is negative 1, and sine of alpha is 5 over 13. So this cancels, that's 0. So our answer is negative 5 over 13. And the other one we have to do is cosine. Where did I put it? Cosine of 3 pi over 2 minus alpha. So basically, just write your formula out. Your difference for identity for cosine. We have cosine of 3 pi over 2, cosine of alpha, and then remember, change the signs. We have plus, and sine of 3 pi over 2 and sine of alpha. So cosine of 3 pi over 2 is 0 times cosine of alpha. And then we have plus sine of 3 pi over 2 is negative 1. Sine of alpha is, let's see, negative, is it negative or positive? See, sine is positive, so 5 over 13. So the answer is going to be negative 5 over 13. So the answers would be the same. Okay? I'm going to do one that's similar, and it's a little harder because it's not a Pythagorean triple. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.